Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix login problems on the Red Note app on your phone. Step 1. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Check for any types, extra space or capital letters. Step 2. If you forgot your password or it's not working, tap forgot password. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 4. Open the App Store and tap your profile at the top right, then scroll to see if Red Note has an update button. If yes, tap update. Sometimes login errors happen because the app is not up to date. Step 5. Close the Red Note app completely. Double tap the home screen and swipe up from the bottom, then swipe the app off the screen to reopen the app. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your phone. Step 6. If none of above works, delete the app by pressing and holding it, then tap remove app or delete app. Go back to App Store and reinstall it. That's it. The steps usually fix most login problems on Red Note. Try them and you will be writing your notes on in no time. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Drop some like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.